Hey everybody, I'm Sam Webb and this is Shopify Dev Tips. In the last video we talked about how you take an existing theme and convert it into a workflow. And so I thought I'd make a video about how you would find and install a theme in the first place. So let's get started. So when you're building themes for clients, depending on the budget, it's not always going to be fully custom build. Sometimes instead you start with an existing theme and then you make any customizations from there. And so to install a theme, you'd go into your Shopify admin and you'd click themes down here in the online store sales channel. And you scroll down to the bottom and you have these two buttons. You've got free themes and you've got Shopify theme store. I'm going to click visit theme store and this takes us to Shopify's theme store. And you've got this home page here that has a bunch of different themes. It's got the ones that are trending this week. It's got ones that have specific features like product recommendations. And you can come up here and under collections, you can pick any of these specific categories, or you've got industries for specific industries. So, if you're making a jewelry store, you might want to choose the jewelry accessories, and it'll give you a bunch of themes that were built specifically for merchants who sell jewelry. I'm going to click all themes, and then I'm going to highlight the free ones. And for us, we're just going to choose one of these free themes. So you might recognize Simple, which is the theme that we currently have on our store. But instead, I'm going to pick Boundless. And this is where you can learn more about the theme. You can see what it offers, what kind of features it has. I know what features it has, so I'm going to click Add Theme. And it takes me back to my website, and then you'll see that Boundless is now loading, so it's adding it. And once it's finished, you'll see this just added. And if I go to Actions and Preview, I can preview my site using Boundless. This is what it looks like if you go to a paid theme. Over here on the left, you'll see a Try Theme button and a Buy Theme button. The Try Theme button allows you to add this theme to your storefront, but the catch is that it's really limited in what you can do, meaning you can't publish the theme to be your live theme, you can't edit the code of the theme, and you can't download the theme files. The point of installing it as a trial is to, one, see if you like the theme, and two, to start setting up content before you're ready to publish. If you're a developer and your plan is to download the theme and then start making code changes to that, then you don't want to download it for the trial period. You want to just go ahead and buy it before you download it, because you won't be able to make any changes to the code until you've purchased the theme. But beyond that, installation is the same thing. You'd click the Try Theme button and then it would download it to your store. And that's really all there is to adding themes. There are other theme marketplaces that you could buy your themes from, but I would always suggest going to Shopify's theme store. Shopify has pretty strict rules in place that a theme must follow before it can be allowed on the theme store. And so any theme you get from the theme store is going to be good quality. And that's how you go about finding and installing a theme for Shopify. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.